Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Are you a curvy fashion enthusiast looking for the latest trendy and style in plus size women dresses? You are in the right place. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to celebrating and empowering plus size women by showcasing a diverse range of fabulous dresses that are designed to make you look and feel incredible. I hope you all are well and fine. In this video, you will see the most beautiful outstanding women dresses. In this video, you will see 100 new design and ideas. All the dresses is very awesome and beautiful. You can buy it from any online store. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful updates and stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. We will bring you the curated collection of stunning dresses that created a various occasion, season and personal style. From casual to formal, we have got you covered. Our expert fashionist will share invaluable tips on how to accessorize, layer and pair dresses to create outfits that reflected your unique personality. In my video, I always try to bring very useful updates and stylish content for you, which is about the latest and latest style dresses idea from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming and attractive. If you are a fashion lover, please subscribe my channel. If you know the latest style fashion, then please subscribe my channel. My channel publish video that focus on new and amazing dress style and fashion industry from all over the world. I am sharing with you the most stylish, most gorgeous and beautiful dresses ideas. So you will see in this video different style of dresses designed 2023 and designed 2024. You can wear these dresses in official parties and any formal functions. Our designs are stylish and beautiful for those women who like the latest fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end and never miss any dresses of my video. All designs are latest and beautiful. I am sure you like and buy such type of dresses. You will find here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. New US fashion, US woman, UK woman, American woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So girls, watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can see here US woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So girls, watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. One thing I want to tell you, I am not selling any kind of dresses. This video is just made for you, so please girls subscribe my channel and support me. I hope girls you like my video, so please girls tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. So girls, we believe that everybody is beautiful and we are all about promoting self-love and confidence. Our videos will inspire you to embrace your curves and rock an outfit with grace. We will review and recommend plus size dresses brands and prioritize both style and comfort. Get insight into sizing, fabric quality and overall shopping experience. Your voice matters. We encourage you to comment, share and thoughts and suggest content you would like to see in this channel. A community where